استخدام سرايا المراقبين استهداف دبابة.
It's the robotic version of man's best friend. The four-legged robot from Boston Dynamics is being put to work at Ford Motor Company in Michigan.
We were looking at a way to get into tight spots within our facilities, and Spot, who we nicknamed Fluffy, came up as a brainstorming idea. We could mount a 360 high-resolution camera onto it, as well as a laser scanner.
Fluffy works with an autonomous robot named Scouter to help create a 3D map of the factory floor.
They autonomously go through the plant and then stop, scan, move, stop, scan to waypoints like a GPS.
Fluffy goes where Scouter can't, helping create a more complete map of the space, which in turn helps engineers as they retool floor plans for production of new car models.
In some of our final assembly areas, the facility is changing monthly.
The robotic dog can be customized with a variety of sensors for different jobs.
Chemical manufacturing, you want a gas sensor to see if there's a leakage in the environment so that you can fix the leak faster. Other customers need a thermal camera so that they can look at the performance of some of their industrial equipment and say, oh, that is overheating and that could potentially cause a problem.
Ensuring worker safety in dangerous environments is one of the main benefits of using this robot. So is collecting more kinds of data.
We're creating all of these systems to interpret and collect and analyze big data. The problem is that we can only get a very narrow set of data into those systems.
Unlike a fixed sensor, this robot can collect data wherever it's programmed to go. Boston Dynamics is currently leasing the technology so companies can find ways to use it. For some, this robot dog could turn out to be a very good boy indeed. Tina Trinh, VOA News, New York.